Hurry. Call the cops. Isn't that the whole force that just got clapped in the van?
I don't know. Keep the door closed.
Sounded pretty calm for seeing Dante like that. She's like, I don't really know. But keep the door closed. I guess lock it. Whatever. Should we roll up the windows? I mean, you don't have to. It's really a personal choice. Rain feels kind of nice. The splashy water feels kind of nice. So maybe we'll just leave the windows down. What's the worst gonna happen? Leatherface. Grow up. That definitely looks like the handlebar. Oh, Jesus. It is. You can see it. Oh, that's hilarious. Hilarious as in deathly serious. That doesn't make sense. Mr. Chainsaw have gas, bro? Is the gas still good? How long's Mr. Chainsaw been in the wall? Oh, I'm sure he'll get it started just in the nick of time. Yeah, I can't give away my position, so... Ah! Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! How did you get any momentum? She's like, oh god, don't look at me. Don't look at me. Please don't look at me. Can't you just die looking the other way? Close your eyes. Close your... Oh god. Isn't he going to see that? Oh. Finish him! Alright. Think you fucking got him, dude. Think you got him. I get it. Just in case. Oh, this is like the worst day. They're just getting to that van. Oh, see you at the end of the movie. You are way behind, bro. Chica. Who parked there? I wonder, is it actually the actress? Probably. It's probably a big deal. Hello! Just looking into a mirror. Oh my. If that's like the day all that shit went down, I'm guessing that's not... Why would you want to keep looking at that picture? Like, take me back to the good days. Maybe she needs it to remind her of that day that shit went down.
Stay in your...
Fucking jean jacket, stop fucking causing problems. You're a serious pain in the ass already.
Please open the door. Don't.
What? How did you not hear what she was just talking about, dude? I'll do it myself. Yeah, like for real, like where the fuck are you going? You see, that's why you stay in your assigned seating. Was that dude working on his chainsaw? Probably was the gas. Gotta empty it out. Flush it. I'm a survivor. She's got Beyonce in her head the whole movie. She's like, oh, I'm not gonna give up. I don't know any other words to that song. Yeah, maybe I'll just jump. Forget it. Maybe you should. Just whoop. And then... Okay. That was... This dude is also a mechanic. Oh, hello. Whoa, what a shot. That'll knock the fucking wind out of you. She's screaming. She's like, oh my god, it's lime green. Oh, jean jacket. How the fuck did he know she's right there? Chainsaw gives me superpowers. I want to roll out of the way. Oh, yeah. There you go. Hot Fudge Sunday. Jean Jacket's like, never mind. What the fuck? Shits on their own head. Get it together. Ugh, get off the bus. No. I'll drive when I fucking want to drive. You smell like shit. And you're wearing a jean jacket. Don't judge my driving.
Get us out of here. Oh, let's go.
Thanks, backseat driver. What the fuck? I am. Beep, beep. I'm supposed to believe that dude ran and caught up. Oh wow, you fucking idiot. I gotta see what's wrong with the bus. Blood. Oh, even better. A fucking head. She said, oh, he's coming on board. He's coming on board. Do you have a ticket? You might want to put the bottle down, homeboy. We are in some shit. That's about right. That's about right.
Try anything and you're canceled, bro.
Everybody squish up against the windows. Who hired this clown? That chick turned her, she was still taking pictures. Like, click, 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 click. Burst shots. Everybody squeezing at the. Oh, wow. Jean jacket. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, somebody on the bus gets the slice, the side slice. Good dad. Oh, she's gonna have some PTSD, yeah.
Get up.
Got Beyonce still. Hide in the stall. Hide in the stall. I already smell like shit anyway. Oh, I said I was good. I'm good. I don't need more chainsaw. Whoop. Wow, this dude's just having a field day. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh. Just some cheap ass gore shot. I was gonna say, yeah, you could. Whoop. Nope. Now you know half the story. Occupado! I'm a little fucking busy, Jean Jacket. Can you not see the... Made a cute little hole right there. Look good. Oh, he knows how to work the door. I'm allergic to corkscrews. Are you from the first movie? You're now bait.
It's him, isn't it?
Who? How the fuck would we know?
Leatherface.
Oh.
I've been waiting for this night. Just to see him again.
You can catch him tomorrow. Here's a shifted sizzler.
Looks like you need to stay.
So it is.
Till I kill him.
So they are bait. You need to stay until I kill him. Okay. Too bad you wasted the corkscrew. You might have been able to chip away at the glass. True. What the fuck indeed? Thought you had yourself a good day on the bus ride, huh? That you had yourself a good bus tour? Not today. So fucking dumb. This chick is gonna get clapped so fucking hard. Leatherface tired. Shoot, dumbass. Fucking shoot. Why don't you do it? I'm gonna see your face. Oh, you fucking idiot. Were you not sure beforehand? Well, back to it. Click.
Say my name.
Oh, what the fuck, you idiot.
Say you know me.
And then make
Say
dinner.
You know what
Got a bunch of fucking requests before you can kill him? Like, what are you doing? Got a bunch of this bullshit ass requests. Just do the fucking job.
you don't remember me.
Why the fuck would he? 70 fucking 3, I think it said. Oh, he said I don't even give a fuck. Bitch.
I was supposed to die in school.
Yeah, we fucking know. God. Can you deal with the situation at hand? I'm gonna need you to fucking realize what's happening right now. He's right behind you. He's fucking right behind you. Let's go. You're up. I didn't say I wouldn't let him take a leg.
Remember me now?
No.
I'm the one who got away. And I'm here
Well,
to
did
make
you shoot him in the
sure
first
you
movie?
don't.
This chick is such a fuck up.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, thanks for that now. So he does have magic powers. Unless there's more than one. I mean, if you shot him in the first movie, did you miss him just as badly that time too? Just only wing him? It's an audio recording. He's a sound mixer. That was funny. Bull rush! Did you really see this going any other way? I mean, for real. Ooh wee!
Seatbelt on?
Thanks for coming back. You were the one who got away. Oh, thanks for coming back. Oh my god, what a toss. With the rest of the trash. What? So she also has magic powers or what? A couple of Doctor Strange kicking it. I'm a survivor. Not gonna give up. Oh, thank God. He doesn't know where we are.
Listen!
He's gonna kill me right now.
So take your jean jacket off and run.
But you
Don't know how to run.
never needed me. You can do this.
Right here. That's a shot of my face. Oh, he made the jean jacket. Too late.
What I did to your mama.
I literally was just about to be like, click, click. Click, 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 click. I fucking, come on. Did she not even have a mag in there? Nope. Couldn't see it from that other side. Fucking tag. Oh wait, is there a mag? She was holding it like it was. No. What she got in there? Slugs? I seem to have caught a cough with that chainsaw in my fucking gut.
Thank you.
Don't run.
It's like a T-Rex. He gets a let's get them together. That's what happened, huh? There, will you hold some of my intestines while I try to get up? We both know I can't get you out of there, so it's a pretty dumb rationale. Oh, he'll never stop haunting me, so I should probably go get myself murdered. Oh, you know what? Now that I look at it a little closer, it turns out just a whoop. You're just a simple scream and a yank away. Whoop. I know I admitted earlier I hadn't shot a gun before, but I'm pretty sure I get the gist of it. This is going well. Their face. I knew I should have worn this jean jacket. Let me guess. Put on his swim trunks. Okay, so now you know where he is for sure. I really thought he was going to be in the pool. Where whatever the fuck that thing was. Maybe he just turned it on and left it there. Oh, fuck. Whoopsie! Whoopsie! Now we go with the pool. Couples pool time. Sister got out. What? Dude just sunk to the bottom? Whoop! Donk! Ooh, girl. I told you. Did he? Oh, I thought he bit her like a shark. Scream no louder! That dude fucking hopped right out like a dolphin. Or salmon swimming upstream. Whoop! Oh! Didn't take a foot. Game over. This dude's got some crazy portal powers. One last shot. It's not nap time. What are you doing? Have you seen my lime green chainsaw? Oh, you broke it. Finished it.
Are you okay? Are you okay? No.
Why? Yeah, should probably pop a squat. Make sure that guy don't dolphin back out. Well, this hat and Polaroid seem to bring good luck. Go with my jean jacket. Sweet. That was the rest of the juice of the battery. Opened up the sunroof.
Fuck off.
Oh, wow. Got him. I genuinely didn't see that coming. That was pretty good. That was funny. Let's see if there's a hidden extra credit at Netflix. Bonus credit scene from the Netflix. Oh. Oh, there it is. Okay. What do we got? Guess that house probably from one of the earlier ones. Not going to be much of an outro either. It was good for what you're getting. I mean, if you have Netflix, I'd check it out. If you just want, you're getting exactly what you're tuning in for. It's not going to be scream clever or witty, as it was kind of hinted at before, and I said in the intro. Not going to be the scream clever, witty, even Jigsaw level. It's just going to be, we're here to murder people. And how crazy are we willing to go to murder these people? Entire bus is full. This guy can't die. He also teleports. And yeah, he's invisible. That's that. That's the ending. The ending, that was pretty dope though. Did not see that coming. Facts. Just did not see that coming. That was just like, that was a good shock. That was like, oh shit. Not a jump scare. I don't know. I can see that jump scare in some people. I don't know. It still had that feeling like it's not quite over. They're making jokes. It's just, I don't know. I think you always wait. I think you just always wait till the credits roll until you're like done. So even then, who knows? You're not dead. You're not done. You're getting exactly what you're expecting. It's not mind blowing, but it's not bad by any means. But tell me what you guys thought. Hope you guys liked the video. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Per the usual, like if you want, subscribe if you like, and I'll catch you on the next one.